Now the final very important way to structure your code and make it more useful when using Python is by adding modules. And modules are basically different files that hold all of your functions. So your main file don't need to have any additional functions displayed there. And you can simply import these modules inside your main file. So I will show you how this looks like in real life. Now let's say you have the length in centimeters and you want to convert it in meters. So let's create a function that is doing that. So def cm to m, and we'll take length as an input here, and this function will return length divided by 100. So we'll pass the length in centimeters. When we divide it by 100, we'll get the length in meters. And let's create the opposite. So def m to cm, and then again length. Now let's write return length multiplied by 100. So if we send 1 meter, we'll multiply it by 100 to get the value in centimeters. Okay, but what I want now is to use this function outside this file, because let's say the lines are too many. I would like less lines in my code. Imagine if you have functions that are 200 lines of code. That's very feasible and possible in Python. So what we're doing in that case, I'll go here to my project and I'll double click and create a new PyDef module, and I'll write a name, and the name will be convert. Let's press finish here, press OK, and you can see that now you're getting a convert file inside your package. Sorry, this is outside of your package. So basically the modules, they usually need to be outside the packages in order to be accessible from everywhere. So now this convert package doesn't have anything. So I will simply cut this line of code and place it into the convert package and save that. Then when we go back to the function, to our main file actually, you can add this method by simply write import, then the name of the file, so convert, and now you imported the file. So now you're able to use all the functions from this file. So you can simply do that by writing convert, then write a dot, and then specify the method. As you can see, the methods are already proposed here. So I will use centimeter to meter, right? And here I will need to specify the length. So I will write 100 centimeters, which would give me 1 meter. So let's print this and let's run it. And you can see that the value is 1 meter, so we properly use this function that was located in another file. Now, there is even easier way to use the functions without using the convert word in front of every function. So you can write from, then the name of the file, convert, import, and then the name of the function that you would like to import. So if I import meter to centimeter, now what I can do is simply write meter to centimeter without specifying the convert keyword, and then write, let's say 2 meters. I would like to convert them to centimeters. Let's print this, and you can see that 2 meters are equal to 200 centimeters. So we successfully used this function that was from another file. So that was it, everything guys, for this section in this video. I really hoped that it was helpful for you, and it really helped you to understand how to structure your code in Python. And if that's true, rate this video high and give it a like. I really appreciate that you spent some time with me. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in our next coding video.